Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantell, and if you like beauty videos, 31 days of Halloween, and Friday vlogs, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. So hello my loves, today I have an exciting video for you all because if you guys had seen the Jessica Rabbit palette by Ciate London. I have a hard time pronouncing that name, do forgive me. But anyways, this recently launched and I seen it and I thought it was so stunning, so beautiful from the packaging to the palette as well. Just look at this palette. This palette is so pretty. And this is limited edition, so just keep that in mind. And when I seen it, I was like, hey, I remember my 31 days of Halloween when I did myself as Jessica Rabbit. I must say, I looked pretty good as a redhead. But anyhow, I thought that this was so beautiful. They also came out with a lipstick and a highlighter as well, but I decided not to get the whole entire collection just for the simple fact because I have a lot of red lipsticks and I really don't wear a whole lot of highlighter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, give you all the details about this palette, show you how I created this look, and then at the end of the video, I will give you my final thoughts on it. Add some va-va-voom to your makeup routine with the 9 shadows inspired by the iconic Jessica Rabbit. Embody the on-screen vixen with these highly blendable, ultra creamy shadows in metallic, shimmer, and matte finishes. This palette contains 9 shadows at 0.04 ounces, which is 1.2 grams. This palette is free of parabens and also is vegan and cruelty free. Eyeshadows in Love Letter is a red glitter. Oh Roger is a purple glitter. Sunset Boulevard is a gold glitter. I'm Not Bad is a bronze shimmer. Peta Cake is a purple shimmer. Drawn That Way is a gold shimmer. Carrot Cake is a peach matte. Tune Kisses is a purple matte. And Honey Bunny is a cream matte. So I did go in with my YSL All Hours Concealer, and then to set my lid, I did go in with the shade Honey Bunny with my Sigma E40 brush. The next shade I did go in with is called Carrot Cake, and I did take my Marc Jacobs The Crease brush, and I just applied that right into my crease. Then to go all over my lid, I went in with the shade called Tune Kisses with my Sigma E55 brush. So the next shade I did go in with is called Peta Cake, and I did take my finger and it's applied dry and I just went right on over my lid. As you can tell, it's not really like super shiny, it's just a very subtle shine. So what I did next was I went in with my MAC 248 brush and I dipped right back into that shade Peta Cake, and I did take my Milani Make It Last setting spray and then I just applied that right on over my lid. And as you could tell, it just gives such a beautiful sheen, like it just glides on so nice. It's very like almost gives the illusion of a wet effect to the shadow, and it's just all around beautiful. I do prefer that side when it's applied wet compared to when it's applied dry. And now for the highlight, I did go in with the shade Drawn That Way, and I did take my Kevyn Aucoin small eyeshadow brush and I just applied it once again dry just to see what it would look like compared to when I do apply it with my Milani Make It Last setting spray. And it's just this beautiful, like almost an iridescent kind of gold shade, but with a pink shift to it, which I think is really beautiful. Just so super soft. And then I did take my MAC 248 brush and I took that shade once again and I just applied it right underneath my brow bone. So next I went in with the shade Oh Roger and I took my Kevyn Aucoin small eyeshadow brush and I just applied that right into my lower lash line. To finish off this look, I did go in with Kiss Lashes in Gala, and then for my top waterline, I did go in with the Milk Makeup Boss liner, and then for my lower waterline, I did go in with the Colourpop Piggy Bank liner. And for my lower lashes, I did go in with Covergirl Exhibitionist mascara, and for my lips, I did go in with the Rimmel London lip liner in East End Snob, and I topped that off with the Mc Grath lip gloss in Dear to Bear. So my final thoughts on the Ciate London and Jessica Rabbit palette. I really do like it. I think that these three matte shades here blend so gorgeous. They're so pigmented. I really like how soft and beautiful and creamy they are. And they're just an all-around gorgeous, gorgeous matte formula. They are not drying whatsoever. Also, the shimmer shades in here and the metallics are stunning. The only one that I'm just a little bit like awe in is the O Roger shade, which is the one that I applied in my lower lash line. You know, it is beautiful, but I kind of expect it to be a little bit more like of a shimmery purple, like a little bit of more extra voom to that shade. And the shade that I love the most is Carrot Cake, which is this matte shade right here, which is the shade that I did apply into my crease. It is so stunning for a matte shade. And also the only shades that I didn't use in this palette was Love Letter, I'm Not Bad, and Sunset Boulevard. Those are the only three shades that I didn't use from this palette, so I used the majority of the rest of them. I really do like the look that I created. It's a very soft yet kind of a smoky eye look, but it's not like too intense. To me, this is like your everyday smoky eye look that you could go out around and just wear, and that pop of purple is so gorgeous. Really love the quality of this palette. Absolutely stunning. If you guys are into Ciate London's eyeshadows and you're all about Jessica Rabbit and you like limited edition products, which I kind of like got a little bit of a beef about because, you know, they don't last very long, and it's kind of a bummer because I could definitely see myself grabbing this palette a lot, especially for the three matte shades here to create these everyday look. And I just think it's sad that it is a limited edition. Also, I had to say that the shade names in this palette is so cute. Really love it. From the packaging to the names to the quality of the shadows to how they blend, how they look. It's just an all-around beautiful palette. Let me know in the comments down below if you're curious about this collection, if you're going to get it, are you going to pass on it? What are your thoughts on it? Let me know in those comments down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!